Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name is Adrian and today we're going to look at this HY2188 cordless hedge trimmer with a 20-volt battery. So I'm going to open the pack, lay the contents on the bench here so you can see exactly what you get. So I've laid the contents here on the table, and as you can see, first of all, we have the hedge trimmer head unit itself. It does come with its protective cover fitted onto it in the box. Then we have the 20-volt battery, the battery charger, and the user manual. Now I do recommend that you read the user manual thoroughly before use. So fitting the battery couldn't be simpler. It slots in the underside here. As you can see, the blue tag towards the back. Push it into the holder and you'll hear a click. So that battery is now solidly located in there. To remove the battery, we simply push down on this blue tab and the battery slides out. Quick and simple. So two-handed operation is needed with this, and there are two switches to make it work. One on the forward handle here, this blue handle, that's one switch, and the second one is basically a standard trigger switch that you'd see on other types of machinery, drills, etc. It won't operate unless you pull them both, so that ensures two-handed operation. So I'll pull both and you'll see it start up. Okay, if I pull one or the other, nothing happens. So that's the two-handed operation. So for ease of operation, when using the machine at different angles, you can rotate this trigger area here. You'll see these two plastic grips on the side of the upper handle. If I pull them back, I can rotate the handle 90 degrees that way. So that would be good if I was using it in this orientation. And again, if I just pull them back, it will go 90 degrees the other way as well. So that would be good for this orientation. Okay. So with that said, to replace it back to the center, just pull the two catches and it'll click back into the upright position. So as we mentioned earlier, it does come with a blade cover to look after the blade so you don't damage it on anything, and obviously to protect you from the sharp edges when you're not using the machine. So that's it. It's as simple as that. Two triggers, rotatable handle, quick removable battery, the battery charger, and that's the contents and how to assemble your HY2188 hedge trimmer. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and thank you for watching.